So jQuery events. So these events are used to user actions. These events are used to user actions. So when something happens, we can execute JavaScript functions when we click on button or mouse over or mouse enter on any elements. So an event represents the movement. An event represents the movement when something happens. Something happens. Okay, so here the most important events is, first one is click event, and second one is double click event. So these events like jQuery events on click, on double click, okay, click event to double click event to on mouse enter or mouse leave, okay, on mouse over, on mouse out, and on key down. So like that. Third one is mouse enter, mouse leave, and fourth one is mouse leave, and so on. Okay, so like that in HTML. JavaScript events. You can find these events in jQuery events. Okay, so these are all events. So these events are work same as JavaScript events. Okay, on blur, on change, on click event. Okay, focus, on hover, okay, on mouse auto, on mouse enter, on mouse leave, load event. Okay, so like this. Okay, you can practice all these events. So first of all, we can start with the click event. So this click event, this event attaches an event handler function to an HTML element. HTML element. So this function executed when user clicks on any HTML element. User clicks on HTML element. Okay, so for example, and the syntax is, so if you want to hide the current hide paragraph when you click on button, so for this dollar symbol and button hide is the button ID, and dot click event and function. Okay, so this jQuery statement execute when you click on this button, and this statement bind the event handler. Okay, click event handler to the button, the particular button btn hide. So when you click on this button, the paragraph will hide. Dot using hide method, you can hide the elements. So for example, add one HTML document, with event. Okay, so for example, I have one paragraph. In that paragraph, there is some content. So you can copy this content and paste here in paragraph. And after that, so you can take one button. So this button, for when you click on this button, okay, when user click on this button, the paragraph will hide using jQuery hide method. Value hide and ID for paragraph median hide. Okay. To write the jQuery functionality, so we have to call jQuery library. jQuery library. Okay, so we can call this library. And after that, write script tag. Next, document dot ready function. So here we need to think about the functionality. The functionality is when you click on this button, so we need to hide the paragraph. Okay, we want to hide this paragraph. So for this, dollar symbol, and here we are using ID selector btn hide. For ID selector, we have to use hash. Okay, and for class selector, we have to use dot and dot click function. And next, dollar symbol paragraph is the element selector dot hide. Okay, so this is the functionality of hide the paragraph when you click on this button. So run this example and click on this button. Okay, here ID is only btn hide, not a function. Okay, so paragraph is hidden. So if you go to inspect element, here you can see paragraph style equal to display none is applied. So JavaScript jQuery internally this style is applied to hide the paragraph display none property, CSS display none property. So when you call this function hide function, so jQuery internally apply this CSS property, okay, to hide the element. Okay, so this is the click event. So this event handler bind to this button. And the next one is double click event. So this function is executed. Function is executed when user double clicks on HTML element. Clicks on HTML element. Okay, and attach an event handler to the HTML element. Attaches an event handler to the HTML element. And here is the syntax for double click event. So same as click event. Okay, just simple, we have to change this event. Okay, dbl click, not click. Okay, for click event only click function click event. For double click, dbl click is the event for double click. So here we can change this functionality. Just dot dbl click. Okay, so refresh this form, and the single click, for single click paragraph is not hidden. When you double click on this, the paragraph is hidden. Okay, so this is the double click event and the single click event. And next one is mouse enter. So this event execute when user mouse pointer enters the HTML element. Okay, so when user cursor mouse pointer enters into an HTML element, so this event is executed. Okay, this events binds and bind to the HTML element when mouse enters into an HTML element. Mouse enters onto an HTML element, and syntax is same like, so when our mouse pointer enters into an button, so we can hide the paragraph. Okay, no need to click and no need to double click also. So just mouse enter. Mouse enter. And for example, so here just change the event mouse enter. Okay, so when our mouse pointer hover the particular button, so the paragraph is hide. So run this example. Okay, so when our mouse pointer enters the HTML element, div element, the paragraph is hidden. And next one is mouse leave. Okay, this mouse leave, whenever mouse pointer leaves the HTML element, so execute the jQuery function. Event execute when user mouse pointers leaves the HTML element, leaves the HTML element. And for this, so when mouse leaves the particular div element, we can show the paragraph again. Okay, mouse, you can change this mouse leave, and here we can change the method as show method. Okay, so when our mouse pointer enters into an HTML button, so the paragraph is hidden. Mouse pointer is the particular paragraph and button, paragraph will display again. Okay, so button in the top position. Okay, so paragraph is hidden and paragraph is displaying. So like this remaining events also. Okay, almost down on key down like JavaScript events. So go through that link and practice the events. Okay, and mouse up, hover, mouse down. Okay, and number of events is there. Okay, and focus, blur. And the next concept is jQuery effects. jQuery effects. So using jQuery effects, you can hide and show HTML elements. You can hide and show HTML elements with the hide and show methods. With the hide and show methods. Okay. So for example, here three methods is there. jQuery effects. First one is hide method, and second one is show method, show effect, and third one is toggle effect. Okay, toggle. Okay, this effect using hide method we can hide HTML elements. Okay, we can hide HTML elements. Using show method, we can show hidden HTML elements. And this one is toggle method. We can toggle between hide and show methods. A toggle between hide and show methods. So using this toggle method, using this toggle effect or method, shown elements are hidden, elements are hidden, and hidden elements are shown. Hidden elements are shown. Okay, so example on these three methods. So create an HTML document, JQuery effects. So here you can take three buttons: input, type equal to button, and value, show, and ID for show, btn show is the ID of button 1, and second button is type equal to button, and value, hide, and ID is btn hide. Okay, you can change the order. First one is hide, and second one is show, and third one is toggle. Button, toggle is the idea of third div. So here we can take button paragraph or div element to hide the content, and place this content in div, and I want to hide this div, and I want to show this div using show method. I want to hide this div using hide method, and I want to toggle between hide and show using toggle method. So ID for div div1, and copy this library and paste here, and next script tag, document dot ready function, first of all hide button hash btn hide dot click. This is the function. So when you click on this hide button, you can hide the div1 dot using hide method. Okay, and again for show button, when you click on this show button, btn show dot hide button show dot click function, hash symbol div1 dot show, so that hidden elements are shown using show method. And again third button, when you click on this third button toggle, so both events are executed in the single event, btn toggle dot click function, dollar symbol div1 dot toggle. Okay, so all these are predefined functions. Okay, hide, show, toggle. Okay, and remaining animations also is there. Okay, so run this example. Okay, first when you click on this first button, the paragraph is hidden. Okay, and the next when you click on this show button, the paragraph is displaying, and the third one is, so when you click on this third button, okay, uh, shown elements are hidden and hidden elements are shown. So div element is displaying. So when you click on this, div is hidden, and again when you click on this toggle button, the hidden elements are shown by using toggle method. Okay, both events are executed in the single toggle method. Okay, hide and show both are executed in the single toggle method. And the next one is, jQuery effects. uh, Remaining effects is fade in, fade out, and fade toggle, and fade to methods also. Fading effects in jQuery. Okay, so first of all, fade in, and second one is fade out, and third one is fade to, fourth one is fade toggle. Okay, so these are the fading effects in jQuery. So using this fading methods, using these effects, we can fade HTML elements in and out. Okay, in and out. So first one is fade in. This effect, okay, effect is used to fade in a hidden element. Fade in a hidden element. Okay, fade in a hidden element. The syntax for fade in, and here is the selector button. Okay, and dot button or div element. Okay, so you can take div fade in, and there is a two parameters is there, speed and callback functions. Okay, so this is the syntax for fade in method. So fade in syntax, these parameters are: speed is optional parameter, optional parameter, optional parameter. So it specifies the duration of the effect. Specifies the duration of the effect. Of effect. Okay. So effect duration. So effect duration is uh, for speed parameter we can give the values like slow and fast or milliseconds. Okay, milliseconds. Those is the seconds are 1000, 2000, so like, and so on. Okay, 1000 means 1 second, 2000 means 2 seconds, so like that. So this is the speed parameter, specifies the duration of effect. Okay, how much time we want to apply on HTML element. And the second is parameter is callback parameter. This callback parameter also optional parameter. Callback function is also optional. So this will execute the function. Okay, so this will execute the function. Execute the function after fade in method completes. Fade in method complete. So for example, so you can create an HTML document. Fade in. So I want to fade in the div. Okay. So when you click on some button, input type equal to button and value, okay, fade in, and ID btn fade in. You can copy this content and paste here, and some CSS properties we can apply. Style, and for div ID, div1, okay, div1, and background color for div blue color, and text color is white color. Okay, and div width 300 pixels, and the height also 300 pixels, and the padding 10 pixel, and border for paragraph, div element 1 pixel, and solid, and red color border. Okay, and div is in hidden mode, display none. Okay, so hidden elements are fade in when you use fade in method. Copy this library, write script tag, and first of all document dot ready function for every example, And next, when our mouse pointer clicks on particular button, when you click on this button, the div element is fade in by using fade in method. Hash btn fade in dot click function. Next, dollar symbol hash d1 dot fade in. Okay, so speed and callback is optional parameters, so that if you need this speed and callback parameters, we can give the parameters, or directly we can use fade in method. So run this example once. So when you click on this button, the div element is fade in. If you use parameters values like slow, okay, fast or milliseconds, so we'll see what happens. Slow, okay, refresh this and again click on this button. The div is fade in the slow motion, and if you give the fast value, within seconds it will display, it will fade in. Okay, if you give the seconds here, so I want to give this seconds, 6 seconds. Okay, in 6 seconds the fade in method is completed. Click on this button in 6 seconds. Okay, after 6 seconds the fade in method is executed. Okay, after 6 seconds, okay, after complete the fade in method, we can execute the remaining functionality by using callback function. Okay, for example, if you want to display compare to alert box, or if you want to execute some another functionality, okay, we can write my functionality and alert box. So this function will display some alert. Okay, completed. So I want to execute the function after fading complete, so that we can give function name here. Okay, after complete the fading method within 6 seconds, okay, after 6 seconds this function is executed, my function. Okay, fading method. Okay, so after 6 seconds, after total full fading method is executed, after complete the fading method, the remaining callback function is executed. Okay, so this is the asynchronous concept. After complete the fading method, so you can execute remaining functionality. So we need to wait for complete the function. Okay, complete this method, so that we have to use callback functions. So these callback functions are very important in real time also. Okay, so we have to wait for the particular functionalities. Okay, after complete the functionality, you can execute remaining functions. And next one is fade out. This method is used to fade out a visible elements. This method is used to fade out a visible elements. So this also same syntax and the same callback and speed parameters for fade out also. Okay, we have to use fade out method, and remaining speed and callback functions parameters is same. Speed is optional parameter, specifies the duration of the effect. Okay, cursor moved after duration of the effect. Complete the duration of the effect. It will execute the callback functions. So, you can create an HTML document, fade out. Same code we can copy here. Just we can remove this display none property. Okay, and now can change this fade out. ID is fade out, and D1 is fade out. So here is the function is dot fade out. Okay, and speed and callback parameters also same. So run this example. Okay, first of all, div is displaying. So when you click on this button, fade out this method is applying on div. Okay, so div is fade out. So after that, callback function is executed. Here also we can remove these parameters also. If you need this, you can apply. Okay, directly is fade out. And same like fade to end. One second. Okay, so fade out and fade in methods are completed, and fade to and fade toggle. So fade toggle same as uh, toggle in hide show methods. Okay, fade toggle. So fade toggle execute between fade in and fade out. Okay, so when you run this example, okay, fade in, fade out first of all completed. Again, you can click on this button. So fade in. Okay, so two methods are executed in the single button. Okay, so that is fade toggle. Hide show also same. Okay, we can use only one button to hide or show. But Fading effect also same. Fade in, fade out, both are executed in the fade toggle. And the fade to remaining fade to is the fade to method allows fading to a given opacity. Okay, this method allows fading to given opacity. Okay, so this opacity value between 0 and 1, value 0 and 1. And syntax for fade to: selector, okay, d1 dot fade to speed parameter and callback parameter, and one more parameter is there for fade to, that is called opacity. Second parameter is opacity. So fade in and fade out is executed in the given opacity for fade to. Just we can give here 0.6, okay, for fade to. Okay, fade out. So once refresh this form and execute here, fade to, okay, fade to. Okay, so fade to is completed in the given opacity. The given opacity is completed 0.3. You can check with 0.3. Okay, in the 6 seconds. So div is fade to the given opacity. After complete the method, callback function is executed. Okay, so these are the fading methods in jQuery.